A puppy named Pebble is 2 years old. Her big brother dog, Bruno, is 9 years old. How old will each of them be in 5 years?
Oh, easy. Bruno is the big one, so only Bruno gets a year older. Wait, does a year only happen to Bruno? Let me think. Pause the video and try it yourself. When time passes, who gets older?
Here is the secret. Both dogs live on the very same timeline. Pebble is right here at 2 years old. Bruno is over here at 9 years old. 5 years later is just one slide to the right. 5 years passes for everyone the same way. So Pebble slides 5 years. 2 plus 5 is 7. And Bruno slides the very same 5 years. 9 plus 5 is 14. Look, both arrows are exactly the same length.
Now look at the space between them. Right now it is 7 years wide. They both slid the same way, so the space did not change at all. 14 take away 7 is still 7. The gap never moves.
See what one idea did all the work. We did not age one dog and forget the other one. We slid the whole timeline at once, and the gap held steady the entire time. This is the big idea. Slide the whole timeline. If a problem says in some years or some years ago, then slide both ages the same amount along one timeline, and the gap between them does not move. Look for in so many years or so many years ago happening to 2 ages at once. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.